Hey everyone, Dalton with Byrider Madison. Wanted to make a video for you. We do help a lot of families out that are looking for vehicles, obviously children, stuff like that, whether small or big families. Looking for safe, reliable vehicles that are going to obviously help protect the families from anything that might happen on the road. Obviously accidents happen all the time, so they want to be safe. So I wanted to showcase two vehicles for you that we have on the lot currently for safety reasons, whether large or small families. I got one of each for you. First one I want to show is our Chevy Equinox that we have here. Very nice vehicle. With the Equinox, it has a 5 out of 5 star rating for safety all the way around, sides, front, back, all that good stuff. Obviously for larger families, maybe more children, stuff like that. Really nice vehicle. Jumping over to a smaller, maybe newer family, I did want to showcase our Hyundai Sonata that we have up front here. Obviously no surprise here with Hyundai, like Honda. Safety, reliability is top of their class pretty much. Obviously it also has a 5-star rating as well. So if you are looking for a safe vehicle, we do have some on the lot. Obviously definitely want to try and help you, family related. If you're looking for a vehicle, give us a call, 608-663-1213. Dalton Byrider. Talk to you later. Bye.